In today's lesson, I will be talking about the angle bisector theorem. According to hotmath.com, the definition of the angle bisector is: an angle bisector of an angle in a triangle divides the two opposite segments that are proportional to the other two sides of the triangle. To help you understand this, here's an example of how an angle is bisected. On this example, angle A is bisected by the line going straight through the angle, forming two congruent angles. In a triangle, though, the angle bisector forms two new triangles with proportional sides, as shown in this picture by dummies.com. When using angle bisector, proportions are a key component in solving the problems. And just a quick reminder, the angle bisector theorem works for all triangles. Also, it doesn't matter how large or small the angle is. Not to mention, it can work with any angle in the triangle, not only just the angle at the top. Here's a problem involving just the very basics of angle bisectors. This 90-degree angle bisected has two now equal angles, angle X and angle Y. The only information we're given is that Y equals 2x plus 5. They want to know what is x in the equation y equals 2x plus 5. Since it's a 90-degree angle and it's split in half, we know that 90 over 2, and we divide 90 by 2, we get 45. So now we can set the equation 2x plus 5 equals 45. Then you just subtract 5 out and subtract it from 45. So you get 40 equals 2x. Then you divide by 2, and you get, let's bring it over here, x equals 20. And that is our answer. Now, for the final problem, we're given a triangle ABC. Triangle ABC has side lengths 5, 6, and 12. There is an angle bisector through angle A, and it meets the line BC at point P. The question that they're asking is, what are the side lengths of PC and PB? Since we know these two angles are now equal, we can set up proportions to find the lengths PB and PC. Let us set PB equaling to 12 minus x, and then CP equaling x. Now let's do the proportions. So we go 5 over 6 equals x over x minus, or my bad, 12 minus x. Now we cross multiply to solve for x. So we cross multiply here and cross multiply there, and we get 6x equals 5 times 12 minus x. Now let's distribute 5 into the parentheses, so we get 60 minus 5x, and that still equals 6x. So then let's add 5x to both sides. So we add 5x, we get 11x equals 60. So now let's divide 11 by itself. So we get onto this side, get x isolated, and x equals 60 over 11. So now we know PC equals 60 over 11. And to just neaten up the answer, so we have x equals 60 over 11. And PC equals x, so that means PC equals 60 over 11. Now we have to find PB. PB equals 12 minus x, so since x is 60 over 11, now let's subtract that from 12. So 12 over 1 minus 60 over 11. After some simple calculations, now let's get that one in there, equals 6.545. So that means we know PB and PC equals, so then we get the lines, and then PB equals 6.545. And then you're done, and now you are master of the angle bisector theorem.